Welcome back to Easy Peasy English EPE Academy. Today, we're continuing our adventure with Stephan and Antonia. In our last episode, they took off, flew smoothly, and touched down in Amsterdam. Now they're exploring the airport during their 7-hour layover. But will everything go according to plan? Let's find out. Before we listen in on their conversation, let's learn 5 more useful phrasal verbs and idioms and collocations that you'll hear in airports and travel situations. Number 1. Look around. Meaning, to explore a place by walking through it and observing what's there. Example, we have a few hours. Let's look around the airport and see what they have. Number 2. Grab a bite, meaning to eat something quickly or have a small meal. Example, I'm starving. Let's grab a bite before we board. Number 3. Keep an eye on, meaning to watch something or someone carefully, to monitor. Example, keep an eye on the departure board. Our gate might change. Number 4. Run into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly, by chance. Example, you'll never believe it. I ran into my old college roommate at the airport. Number 5. Get a move on, meaning to hurry up, to start moving faster. Example, our flight boards in 20 minutes. We need to get a move on. All right. Now that you know today's expressions, let's join Stephan and Antonia as they explore Amsterdam Airport Schiphol during their layover. Listen carefully and see how many expressions you can catch.
Wow, this airport is huge. We have 7 hours. Let's look around and see what they have.
Good idea, but first let's find our departure gate. Then we can relax and explore.
Smart. Our flight to Barcelona is at 9:45 p.m., gate D87.
D87 sounds far. We should keep an eye on the time.
Definitely. I'll set an alarm. So, what now? I vote we grab a bite. I'm starving.
There's a Dutch cafe upstairs. They have bitterballen.
Perfect. Let's go. Oh, and we need to find those stroopwafels you promised.
They're on the list. First, let's grab a bite, then we'll look around the shops.
I'll order. You find us a table by the window?
Sure, I'll keep an eye on our bags.
Okay, I'm back. You'll never guess who I ran into at the counter.
Who?
Thomas, from university. He's on a layover to Copenhagen.
No way! I love when you run into old friends in unexpected places.
Me too. It makes the world feel smaller. Oh, look, here comes our food.
These bitterballen are amazing. Crispy outside, creamy inside.
So good. Okay, we still have time. Let's look around the shops after this.
Souvenirs and stroopwafels. Let's find that Dutch specialty store.
Look at all these cheeses and wooden shoes. Should I buy some?
Are you actually going to wear wooden shoes?
Probably not, but they'd look great on my shelf.
Focus on edible souvenirs. Look! Fresh stroopwafels.
This is incredible. Warm and gooey. I need to move here just for these.
We should start heading to our gate soon. Let me check the board.
Wait, something's wrong. The gate changed. It's not D87 anymore. It says E24.
E24? That's a different terminal. We need to get a move on. Now.
It's a 15-minute walk plus security. Let's go.
I can't believe the gate changed. This always happens.
At least we caught it early. Good thing we kept an eye on things.
There it is, gate E24. We made it.
With time to spare. Professional travelers, that's us.
Let's sit down. Next stop, Barcelona.
Barcelona, here we come.
And that wraps up today's episode of Easy Peasy English. We explored 5 practical phrasal verbs and idioms: look around, grab a bite, keep an eye on, run into, and get a move on. And we heard Stephan and Antonia put them all into action during their layover adventure in Amsterdam. Did you catch all 5? If you missed any, listen again. Repetition is your best friend when learning a new language. Thank you so much for joining me today. Safe travels and happy learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode of Easy Peasy English EPE Academy. I'll see you in the next episode.